Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, this is a welcome decision. The new upcoming foldable smartphone Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 new camera details revealed. According to the latest available data, Samsung is planning to change to a noticeable new camera ring. Other new devices and Galaxy Z Fold 7 Unpacked launch details revealed. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The South Korean giant company Samsung maintains a strong brand identity for its flagship Galaxy smartphones by sticking with the same overall design year after year. However, when it comes to the camera island, the company can't help itself and, in recent years, has experimented with subtle design changes to the camera rings. According to the latest available data, with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung is skipping something ugly and adopting a new camera ring style in its new foldable devices. With the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung introduced rigid camera rings that were criticized by many fans for cheapening the look of the otherwise premium-looking foldable. These rings also made their way onto the Galaxy S25 Ultra, albeit with thinner borders and the ridges a little less noticeable. Well, Samsung has dropped this ridged camera ring design from the final production version of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. New leaked renders showed this to be the case, and it has now been reiterated by a well-known leaker named Ice Universe, who has a solid track record. This is a welcome decision, as those glued-on rings were purely cosmetic and served no real purpose. Not everyone hated them, but let's face it, these are unnecessary design flourishes that feel like changes made for the sake of change. And we can only hope that Samsung will decide against making these changes with all flagships it launches in the future, including the Galaxy S26 series. Samsung is also making use of a titanium backplate, which will make the device lightweight. The thickness is also getting refined, with Samsung said to have reached a decent mark, with record-breaking sleekness in the foldable segment. The battery and charging segment of the Fold 7 may be the same as its predecessor. The company is rumored to adopt a new solution that would offer longer battery life and help the battery charge faster with the 25-watt adapter. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be officially announced on July 9th at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in New York City. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 will accompany it, and we may even get a glimpse of Samsung's first tri-folding foldable phone. Samsung will also launch the Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, alongside new color options for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.